Hello and welcome guys, here I am Shikha and yet again I am back to share with you a DIY Ganesh Diya which is very easy to make and it looks attractive too. It can be made in a matter of few minutes. For this we need only 3 things: this cane plate, clay diya and mouldit or clay. Look how beautiful it is looking. You can hang this diya on your wall. For this I have taken fevicryl molded savor pack. It is a pack of 800 grams. We have just to mix the resin and the hardener in equal parts. This is a cane plate which is woven in a U shape known as kulo and a clay or terracotta diya. We have to attach this diya into the cane plate. Now here we start.